In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Figma files. Whether you're collaborating with a team or just want to show your designs to someone else, sharing files in Figma is an incredibly useful skill. It's simple, straightforward, and ensures that your work can be easily accessed by those who need it. Let's dive in and see how it's done. First things first, you'll want to head over to Figma's website, the go-to hub for all your design collaboration needs. Figma is an amazing tool that allows teams to work together in real time on interface design projects. Once you're on the site, you'll see a button to log in. Click on the login button and enter your credentials to access your Figma account. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to the Figma homepage. Here you'll have access to all your recent projects and files. This is where the magic unfolds. Figma's interface is user-friendly and allows you to keep all your projects neatly organized so you can easily find the file you need to share. Now locate the specific design file you're looking to share. Once you have your eyes on it, click on Design to open the file. This is where you can view and edit the intricate details of your design. But the real task at hand is sharing this masterpiece with others. To do this, simply move your cursor over the project and right-click. In the menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled Share. Click on it and a new window will pop up. Here you can manage permissions and add the emails or names of the people you want to invite to view or edit your file. You have several sharing options allowing you to control who can view or edit the file, or you can generate a link to share widely. Make sure you set the access level appropriately, depending on whether the recipients need to make changes or just view the design. With these settings configured, you're ready to share it. Click the share button, and just like that, your design is now available to the selected individuals. There you have it. In just a few steps, you've effectively shared your Figma file without hassle. Remember, sharing your work is a great way to receive feedback, collaborate efficiently, and take your designs to the next level. Keep practicing and soon sharing Figma files will become second nature. Good luck and happy designing.